Word problem example number 6. A positive number is 6 times another number. If 5 is added to both numbers, then one becomes 5 times the other. Find the smaller number. Now, since the word smaller is mentioned from this problem, there is another number, and that's definitely larger. So we have the smaller. Okay, we'll write here smaller. And then, of course, the larger. Now, let's just say the smaller is x. Okay? What is going to be the larger? Let's see. A positive number is 6 times another. 6 times the smaller. Okay? So the larger is obviously 6x. Okay? The positive number is basically the larger number. So the larger number is 6 times the smaller. So the smaller is x, the larger is 6x. If 5 is added to both numbers, so I will add 5 here, and I will add 5 on the larger. Then 1 becomes 5 times the other. Okay? So meaning, which one is 5 times the other? Obviously, the smaller now will become 5 times the larger. Okay? 5 times the smaller equals the larger. So this will be 6x plus 5 equals 5 times x plus 5. Okay? So then 1 becomes 5 times the other. 5 times the smaller now is equal to the larger when you add 5 on both sides. Now let's just solve this. Distribute 5 to x and 5. I'll copy the left side. So this will be 5x plus 25. Next is I am going to remove that 5x on the right side because there's another x term on the left. Okay, so there. 6x plus negative 5x is x. Since the x is already on the left, we just need to remove that constant number 5 on the left. Okay, that means add 5, or negative 5 rather, on both sides. So 25 plus negative 5, they have different signs, so you will subtract them. So x equals 20. And that's the smaller number. Okay, the bigger number is obviously 6 times 20.